When we're working on power vent and power direct vent water heaters, error code 7, error code 8/1 or an 8.1 code, both are linked back to a flammable vapor sensor. This style water heater, power vent, power direct vent, or the fan assist water heaters have a flammable vapor sensor, and what it's doing is monitoring air quality. We have a fan on top of the water heater that's moving air into the water heater, and as it's bringing maybe a flammable vapor, gasoline spill, paint, urethane, household items that are going to say flammable, this will make an error code exist in the gas control. How we want to test that is by measuring resistance. The flammable vapor sensor is located directly underneath the gas valve. Follow your black wires down. It's actually the little white sensor, if you will. 2 black wires connected to it. Those wires would come off. You take those off. With your multimeter set to a resistance range, we're going to measure from one post to the other post to get a reading. Important that reading is somewhere between 3,000 ohms and 48,000 ohms to be a good part. Anything outside of that range is a part that's likely doing its job. So 1, we do have to replace it, but 2, we have to find the source of the flammable vapor.